Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best home use multimeters selected for their test voltage, current, and continuity with confidence, making household maintenance easier, safer, and more reliable for beginners and experienced users alike. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. ZT-703S Multimeter. The ZT-703S Multimeter is a versatile 3-in-1 handheld instrument that combines a digital multimeter, dual-channel 50 MHz oscilloscope, and signal generator into one compact unit. Designed for automotive technicians and electronics hobbyists, it offers manual range operation with solid measurement coverage, including DC voltage up to 1000 volts, AC voltage up to 750 volts, and current up to 10A for both AC and DC. Resistance measurement extends to 250 megaohms, and capacitance ranges from 9.999 nanofarads to 99.99 millifarads, making it suitable for diagnosing power supplies, control boards, and vehicle electronics. The built-in dual-channel oscilloscope adds significant value, especially for troubleshooting sensors, ignition systems, and communication lines in automotive environments. A 50 MHz bandwidth provides enough performance for most low to mid-frequency diagnostic tasks. The integrated signal generator further enhances its usefulness by allowing users to inject test signals directly into circuits for functional testing.
Number 2. ALIENTEK DM40 Multimeter. The ALIENTEK DM40 Multimeter is a professional-grade 4.5-digit instrument offering up to 39,999 counts, designed for users who demand precision and advanced functionality. Equipped with a high-precision 5 ppm reference source, the DM40 ensures excellent long-term stability and measurement accuracy, making it ideal for laboratory environments, calibration work, and detailed electronics diagnostics. One of its standout features is the innovative 3-hole automatic current measurement design, which simplifies switching between microamps, milliamps, and A ranges. This reduces user error and improves efficiency. The ultra-fast continuity test and enhanced diode measurement function, complete with audible indicators, provide quick and reliable component testing. Models such as the DM40B and DM40C support AC plus DC mixed measurement, displaying both components simultaneously. This is particularly useful when analyzing ripple in power supplies or mixed signal circuits.
Number 3. FNIRSI 2C53T Multimeter. The FNIRSI 2C53T Multimeter is a powerful 3-in-1 device that integrates a dual-channel digital oscilloscope, a 4.5-digit true RMS multimeter, and a DDS signal generator. Built with an advanced FPGA plus ARM plus ADC architecture, it delivers a 250 megasamples per second sampling rate and 50 MHz analog bandwidth, offering performance comparable to entry-level benchtop oscilloscopes in a portable form. Its oscilloscope function supports peak voltage measurements up to plus or minus 400 volts, backed by a high-voltage protection module for added safety. Advanced features such as XY mode, cursor measurement, persistence display, and mathematical operations enable detailed waveform analysis. Users can capture and save waveform screenshots for later review or export to a computer, which is highly beneficial for documentation and secondary analysis. The multimeter function offers 19,999 counts true RMS measurement for AC/DC voltage and current.
Number 4. UNI-T UT210E Multimeter. The UNI-T UT210E Multimeter is a compact and reliable clamp meter designed primarily for electricians and field technicians. Known for its portability and ease of use, the UT210E is especially popular for measuring AC and DC current without breaking the circuit, thanks to its clamp-style design. Despite its small size, the UT210E delivers solid performance with true RMS measurement capability, ensuring accurate readings even for nonlinear loads. It typically supports AC/DC current measurement up to 100A, along with voltage, resistance, capacitance, diode testing, and continuity functions. The non-contact voltage (NCV) detection feature adds an extra layer of safety when identifying live wires.
The slim, lightweight body allows easy access to tight electrical panels and crowded distribution boards. Its clear digital display provides straightforward readings, and the intuitive control layout makes it suitable for both professionals and advanced DIY users.
Number 5. MASTFUYI 2000 Volt Multimeter. The MASTFUYI 2000 Volt Multimeter, particularly the FY890C Pro model, is engineered for high-voltage professional applications. Designed with electricians in mind, it supports AC-DC voltage measurement up to an impressive 2000 V and current measurement up to 20 amps, making it suitable for demanding environments such as photovoltaic systems, industrial maintenance, and mining operations. Its ultra-wide measurement ranges allow technicians to work confidently with high-energy circuits and renewable energy installations. The device is built to handle rigorous professional scenarios, emphasizing durability and electrical safety. High-voltage measurement capability is particularly valuable in solar panel arrays and large-scale electrical distribution systems where standard multimeters may not suffice. In addition to voltage and current, the FY890C Pro includes essential multimeter functions such as resistance, continuity, and other core electrical diagnostics. The digital display is designed for clarity, ensuring easy reading even in challenging worksite conditions. And that wraps up the top 5 best home use multimeter. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.